Get set for a hilarious construction fail compilation. Watch workers wrestle with rogue equipment and lose in spectacular fashion. Smash that like button, share your favorite moment, and subscribe for more laughs. Thanks for joining us. Let's jump into the chaos.
What's good, Chuckle Champs? Weren't those construction clips just pure chaos? Did my hard-hat heroes have you laughing so hard you almost toppled over like a badly balanced scaffold? Don't bolt yet. The next moments are so hilarious, they'll make a jackhammer jealous of their comedic chops. We've got workers pulling accidental comedy gold and tools staging their own prank show. Leave now and you'll be haunted by the ghost of missed giggles. Hit subscribe, drop your funniest stories, and let's keep this comedy concrete mixer spinning.
And that's a wrap, folks. Hope you had a belly laugh bonanza. Thanks for sticking around. Let's reconvene at 7 p.m. daily. Until then, keep it goofy.